So another one, and I think I could probably help with this one, Matt, is what is the average cost of title insurance stroke no search indemnity? I think how long's a piece of string is probably the answer to that one, unfortunately, Matt. In terms of title insurance, it's usually a percentage of the loan. What I would say with that, and Matt, again, probably correct me if I'm wrong, one of the key benefits is there is a lot less time from your perspective to use title insurance, so there can be a reduced legal cost. And secondly, the time you will save from that transaction is probably worth its weight in gold. So whilst there is a cost, we found on most of ours that's more than covered for by the slightly lower legal costs and everything like that. What's your thoughts, Matt?
I think it covers searches, so you've already discounted about £400-500 there if the borrower, title insurance is obviously more expensive than no search indemnity because no search indemnity is only covering no searches, whereas title insurance covers a whole spectrum of areas of law that. And I think the easiest way of explaining it is the lender is protected for unknown risks, basically. Yeah. So the less you know, the more the lender's covered. And that reduces time for reporting. We have to produce a certificate of title rather than a report on title, and reporting can take between 5 to 10 hours sometimes, depending on how complex the title is. Whereas in a certificate of title, which you use for title insurance, without belittling our job too much, will probably take you about an hour to do. So you're thinking, we do, with the report on title, we go through all of our due diligence, and then we basically spell that back out to the lender as a mechanism of making sure that we're all aware in 6 months' time what advice was given, if something goes wrong or that kind of thing, or you're looking back from an audit perspective, what decisions were made at the time. So I think all in all, title insurance is used as an efficiency mechanism to make transactions more smoother, because we then don't ask questions that we would potentially otherwise ask if we weren't using title insurance, and that is then reflected in the legal fees.
Yeah, absolutely.